This video tutorial I will explain REST API best practices which beginners can understand. Imagine you are at a food truck festival. Each food truck is like different computer system that wants to share information with others. But they cannot just start talking any way they want. They need some rules to follow so that everyone understands each other. That is where REST API best practices come into the picture. Clear menu board, which is equivalent to descriptive URLs in computer system. Just like food truck needs a clear menu board which lists all the foods which are available in the food truck, a computer system should have easy to understand web addresses, which is nothing but URLs for what information the user can get from the particular URL. This helps others to know what they are going to get when they visit the particular web address. Order format. In case of computer system, HTTP methods. When you want food from food truck, you use the words like I will have burger please. In computer talk, we use get, post, put and delete to say what we want to do with the information. It is like telling the computer system what action you are going to take. Get means get the information from the system. Post means send the information to the system. Put means update the information in the system. Delete means remove information from the system. Fresh ingredients. In case of computer system, it is equivalent to hashing. Food trucks don't cook everything from scratch every time. They keep some ingredients ready to serve quickly. Similarly, computer systems can store some information temporarily so that computer system don't have to fetch the information from the start every time someone asks for it. Single tray, single purpose, which is equivalent to single responsibility. Imagine if a food truck tried to serve Mexican, Italian and Chinese food all at once. It is confusing, correct? Similarly, a computer system should focus on doing one thing well instead of trying to do too many things. Enough information, not too much information, which is equivalent to pagination in computer system. When you order, you don't get a year's supply of ketchup. You will get just a small packet. Similarly, when computer system has a lot of information, it is better to get in a manageable chunks instead of everything at once. Sometimes food trucks change their menu. To avoid surprising customers, they put up a special board which contains a new menu. Like that, computer systems can do something similar by letting others know when they have changed how things work. Computer system use versioning concept. Queue system, which is equivalent to asynchronous operation. In a festival time, if you order the food, you have to wait for the food longer time. Similarly, sometimes computer system need more time to finish a big task and they can let you know when it is done instead of making you to wait. Secure cash register, which is equivalent to security measures. Food trucks keep their money safe. Like that, computer systems need to keep their data safe. Computer systems use locks and codes to protect information from bad guys. Friendly staff, which is equivalent to error handling in computer system. Mistakes happen. If a food truck gets your order wrong, they apologize to you and fix it. Like that, computer system should also be helpful and explain what went wrong when something doesn't work as expected. Closing time, which is equivalent to API deprecation in computer system. Just like a food truck might close when the food truck is not popular anymore. Like that, computer system might stop using a old way of sharing information when it is not used much. So REST API best practices are like good manners and smart strategies that the computer systems follow to share information with each other smoothly. Just like food trucks follow certain rules to serve delicious food to their customers without any confusion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.